What's up guys, this is Shan Heather and in this video we are going to do a gaming performance test of Realme 10 by playing few of the most high-end heavy graphics game on the highest possible graphics setting. We will also monitor the battery performance and whether we are going to face any heating issue or not. But before we start, if you are new to this channel then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So for this testing purpose, we have selected the high performance mode. Right now the battery percentage is 73. The screen refresh rate is set to 90 Hz. Right now the CPU temperature is 29 degrees Celsius and the battery is at 24 degrees Celsius. So these are the games we got today here on our Realme 10. So first of all, let's start with Injustice 2. So here you can see that we have selected the Pro Gamer mode to play all of these games, and now let's play Injustice 2. So we are getting 60 FPS here, as you can see in the status bar. 51 FPS, 60 FPS. The gameplay is pretty smooth at 60 FPS and the graphics quality is also quite nice. So we are constantly getting 59 or 60 FPS, it's going to 58 as well. But the graphics quality is really good. This game supports up to 120 Hz easily, but here we are getting only up to 60 FPS even though the 90 Hz refresh rate is enabled from the display setting. So just like the Realme 10 Pro Plus 5G, it seems that the Realme 10 game FPS is also capped at 60 only. Let's play it a bit more. So we are still getting around 58, 59 FPS. It's not going above 60 in any case. So let's go back from here. So now if you have a look on the battery status, battery percentage moved to 71, CPU temperature is 34 degrees Celsius and the battery is at 29 degrees Celsius. Now let's play Call of Duty Mobile. So here in the graphics setting of Call of Duty Mobile, you can see by default, medium is selected for both graphics quality and frame rate. I can select high frame rate with medium graphics quality. If I go to low, then high is the only highest possible frame rate option. So I will select the medium graphics quality with high frame rate. And now let's play the game and let's see how much FPS we are going to get while playing Call of Duty Mobile on Realme 10. So it's pretty smooth and we are getting 60 FPS as you can see here. Once again, you can see how smooth it is. The graphics quality is also good enough. It's not great for sure because we are playing it at medium graphics quality. If you have a look on the ground, you can see it's quite blurry, pixelated, but the gameplay is very smooth at 60 FPS here.
Bravo. Enemy down. We lost the lead. Get down. Sniper capturing C. Enemy down. We captured C. We're capturing B. All positions locked down. Hold your positions. We captured Bravo. It's too close. Fight harder. We've taken the lead. Friendly hunter-killer drone deployed.
So we are constantly getting 60 FPS and the graphics quality is good enough as well.
Losing B. Lost B. Objective almost complete. Losing Alpha. Targets in sight. Capturing Bravo. UAV online. We lost A. We captured B. Alpha. Nice work. Get ready for the next
So
round.
everything is nice and super smooth while playing Call of Duty Mobile on Realme 10. We are getting 60 FPS and the graphics quality is good enough as well.
Objectives.
There is no frame drop, no lagging.
Taking Alpha.
Everything is pretty smooth.
Enemy has Alpha. Enemy taking Bravo. We're capturing Alpha. Enemy has B. We're capturing B. Losing Charlie. We captured A. UAV online. Stealth chopper on standby. We captured Bravo. We lost Charlie. Losing A. Tango down. Swarm ready. Stealth chopper inbound. Contact. Losing Alpha. Sentry undeployed. We're capturing C. Enemy down. UAV online. We captured C. Enemy contact. Sniper down. Enemy down. Tango down. Swarm activated.
So everything was nice and smooth while playing Call of Duty Mobile on Realme 10. The graphics quality was good considering the hardware specs we got and the price segment of this device, and we were constantly getting 60 FPS here. So let's go back from here. Let's have a look on the battery status. So the battery percentage is 66 now. CPU temperature is 34 degrees Celsius and the battery temperature is 33 degrees Celsius. And now let's play Asphalt 9. So here in the graphics setting of Asphalt 9, you can see that we have selected the high graphics quality and the 60 FPS mode is not available at all for Realme 10 to play Asphalt 9 on it. So we are getting 30 FPS while playing Asphalt 9. So it's never going above 30 FPS and the graphics quality is also what we can say is best, average at its best. So let's go back from here. Let's have a look on the battery status. So the battery percentage is 64 now. CPU temperature is 34 and the battery temperature is 33 degrees Celsius. And now it's time to play Altos Odyssey. So you can see that we are getting 60 FPS. Once again, this game can go as high as 120 FPS easily, and even though we have selected the 90 FPS from the display setting, we are getting just 60 FPS. So all of these games, they are capped at 60 FPS only. But the graphics quality is quite nice, and at 60 FPS the gameplay is still very smooth. Boom. So let's leave it here, and now it's time to play the last game for today, and that's PUBG Mobile. So here in the graphics setting of PUBG Mobile, by default HD graphics is selected and high frame rate. I cannot select more than HD, but if I go to balanced, then ultra frame rate is getting enabled, and if I go to smooth, then still it is ultra. So I'm going to play HD plus high to see how much FPS we are going to get, and then I will play on balanced plus ultra graphics quality combo. So let's play first with HD and high frame rate. So here you can see that we are getting 30 FPS, and the graphics quality is looking quite nice as well. If you have a look on the costume of the character, we are getting good amount of details. The reflection of the light on the shoulder pad, on the belt, it's looking quite nice for sure. So we are constantly getting 29 or 30 FPS. So 30 FPS is the max we are getting. So it's not getting better than 30 FPS. So now I'm going to select balanced with ultra frame rate, and let's see whether we are going to get better than 30 fps or not this time. So now we are getting 40 fps, as you can see, 10 fps increment, and that's quite impressive for sure. So if you want more fps, then you will have to select low graphics quality with ultra frame rate, and then you will be able to get 40 fps easily. So it's constantly 40 fps we are getting here. That's quite nice. Graphics quality is once again still good enough. Now if I select the smooth graphics quality with ultra frame rate, let's see whether we are going to get any improvement or not here. So we are still getting only 40 fps even after reducing the graphics quality further. So the maximum fps you can get on Realme 10 while playing PUBG Mobile is 40 if you select the ultra frame rate with medium graphics quality. Gameplay is still smooth enough, 40 fps, not bad, but not great as well, because on flagship smartphones we can go as high as 90 fps, but again, considering the price segment of Realme 10, the performance is still quite satisfactory. So as you can see, not much action is happening, so I'm just going to leave it here. Let's have a look on the battery status. So the battery percentage moved to 56 after playing all of these games for like 1 hour. That's the duration of this video recording. CPU temperature is 37 degrees Celsius and the battery is at 34. And the best part is that the device is not even slightly warm. It's exactly at the same temperature from which we have started playing the game. Only this part is slightly warm, and I think it's because of holding the device continuously for an hour like this. And the performance was also quite nice while playing all of these games, and considering the hardware specs and the price, the performance is still quite justified, as we can see here. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.